Hello, my little warriors. Here is a question for you. Can 6 to the power n ever end with digit 0 where n is a natural number? You got 5 seconds. Make a quick guess. The answer is no. But why? Why the answer is no? Do you know how to find out? Any guesses? Okay, I will tell you. Now let's see the question. The question says check whether 6 to the power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay, now here the most important thing is this number, the base number. This number is the most important thing. Where 6 is known as the base number, first you need to see the base number and you have to see the factors of base number. Factors of 6 are 2 and 3. And then the next important number is the number to end with, that is the digit 0. Digit 0 means that number has to be divisible by 10. So if it has to be divisible by 10, then you need to see the factors for 10. Factors for 10 is 2 and 5. So any number with the base of having 2 and 5 and into power n will always end with 0. But if you see here, it has got base 6 for which the factors are 2 and 3. So when you put power n to this, whatever be the value of n, this is not going to end with 0 because it is missing this 5 factor here. The 5 factor is missing. That is the reason the required factors are not present in the base number. So for this particular question, 6 to the power n can never end with digit 0. Okay, here is a tabular column which is just like a cheat sheet. You can take a screenshot of this. Maybe it might be useful to you in case if this number, if this question has been just twisted a little. Instead of digit 0, if they tell you number ending with digit 5, okay, if it is has to end with digit 5, that number has to end with divisible by 5, and the base number needs to have factor 5 but should not have factor 2. Suppose if that number has to end with digit 2468 without 0, then must be divisible by 2. So the factor must be, base factor must be 2 but should not have any factor of 5. Suppose if it has to end with digit 1357, that is odd numbers, then it must be divisible by odd numbers and the base number should not have factors 2 and 5. Okay, these are just a cheat sheet in case if the question has been twisted and asked. But most important thing is the base number and the ending digit. Ending digit for 0 should be divisible by 10. Ending digit with 5 should be divisible by 5, and other numbers you can just make a guess and get the right answer. So do not fear in case such a twisted question is asked. Just answer it boldly. Now before I close, I will ask you one question and then just see that, take this as a challenge and see whether you can answer it. Can 9 to the power n, 9 to the power n end with digit 0? Okay, if in case if you know the answer, just comment below, and if you have solved it, just subscribe to me. Okay, that is the only request I have. So thank you so much for listening and see you in the next video.